So guys, last 1 month at least we got 10 plus messages from companies. They are looking to hire AI engineer, prompt engineer, or generative AI interns. And guess what? We had a guys zero candidates. Already we run commonjobs.in where we provide daily job updates to fresher or experienced candidate. Still we had a zero candidates to ready to fill those forms. This is how the big opportunity in AI currently. So we decide to make a simple video where you can use free resources to learn how to start career in AI. So make sure to watch this video till end because this video may complete resources, free resources we will share with you. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and we help freshers and young professionals to build future-proof career. Today's topic is simple, that is AI, artificial intelligence. If you are confused about where to start, what to study, and how to get a job, don't worry. This single video will guide you from zero to job ready, even if you are from non-technical background. So first, that is what is AI? In simple terms, guys, AI is about making machines smarter, enabling them to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. You use AI every day, like Netflix recommending shows, Google Maps predicting traffic, ChatGPT answering your questions, and face unlock on your phone. In simple terms, AI is equal to data plus algorithm plus smart decisions. Now, the main thing why learn AI in 2025? I already told you the growing demand of AI engineers. The market of AI is set to hit at least $305 billion by 2027. 97 million jobs, AI related jobs, will be created by 27, and salaries as an AI engineer are growing at least 10 to 25 lakh per annum, and companies actively hiring AI engineers. Now, the simple roadmap how to learn AI. Step one, and the most important, guys, learn Python. It's the first language for AI. You can check FreeCodeCamp from YouTube, or you can check most important course Python for everybody, that is Coursera. I'll attach all the links in the description. You can check. Step two, basics of math. You don't need to advanced level of mathematics. You just need to learn linear algebra, probability, calculus, just the concepts. So make sure to learn just basic concepts about mathematics. Free resources, you can check Khan Academy or Visual Maths from YouTube. Step 3, understand machine learning. Learn how model learn from data. Free courses, you can check Google's machine learning crash course, or you can go to Coursera and search for machine learning course. Step 4, start doing project. Most important thing, people learn from like these courses and they will not implement from the projects. So make sure to implement all those stuff, building projects, spam detector, stock predictor, chatbot using OpenAI. These kind of a projects you can do. Step 5, explore AI domains. NLP, that is text-based AI, computer vision, that is face detection and image analysis, generative AI, that is text to image or music or videos. Step 6, build portfolio. Now you have to show everyone that you are a perfect AI engineer, so that push projects on GitHub, share LinkedIn post, build a simple portfolio website so that recruiters or HR interns can check your portfolio. So there are different job roles in AI, that is AI engineer, machine learning engineer, prompt engineer, generative AI engineer, data scientist. So these roles are perfect to get a job, and they will everyone pay high salary to these jobs. So make sure align with these skills. And common mistakes to avoid: watching too many tutorials. Don't watch too many tutorials, just follow these free resources. Avoiding maths completely. Basic math is essential. Waiting for the perfect time, just start now. This is your chance. Make sure to learn basic about AI, learn prompt engineering. AI is the biggest opportunity, guys, of this decade, and still day one. So make sure start today, stay consistent, and definitely you will get a proper job in AI. So make sure, if this video helped, like this video and share with your friends. Thank you so much, guys.